Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find the saved post on Facebook. Now if you have saved something on Facebook but you don't know where you can find it from, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Facebook app on the device. So if you have not installed the Facebook app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. And after that, make sure that you're also logged into your account. So open the Facebook app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Facebook, where you'll see various options in the bottom taskbar as well as at the very upper taskbar. Now to find the saved post, you just need to tap on the menu icon at the very bottom right of the screen. So this is the menu icon where you'll see your name, memories, saved, groups, videos, and all of it. Now you must simply click on the option of saved, which is next to the memories right here, and you'll also see that option which is most recent, collections, and all of it. So if you click on the option of voice Nepal and all of it, so this is saved on mine. So if you click on the option of see all right here, you'll be able to find the number of items which you have saved on Facebook. So that's it. That's how you can find the saved post on Facebook. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.